Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone and Madam Marina who's currently watching this video. Today we are going to present to you about the flexible production in the business industry. But of course, I would like to introduce to you guys who's going to be presenting about this topic today. Firstly, it'll be me. My name is Nura Akila Zulkifli, and then we have Nur Maya Rosalia, and lastly we have Rajano Aisha.
So, I would like to introduce what is flexible production. Flexible production is a manufacturing approach that allows companies to respond quickly to changes in customer demand and product requirements. Instead of producing large quantities of the same product, this system enables manufacturers to produce different product variations efficiently. By using modern technologies such as automated and programmable machines, flexible production helps reduce downtime, improve efficiency, and lower production costs. Overall, this approach allows companies to stay competitive and adapt better in fast-changing market environment. Here are the main problems in the company flexible production. First, frequent changes in customer order disrupt production and cause delay. Second, poor system integration leads to miscommunication between sales, production, and procurement. Third, weak scheduling and inventory management result in overproduction or shortage, wasting resources. Finally, skills gap and insufficient training cause defect and complaints. Overall, this issue shows that the company production system is not yet fully flexible to meet changing customer demands.
Next, we will look at the characteristics and also objectives of the flexible production. The first one is, as the name suggests, it is flexibility. So, what does this mean? It means that it can handle and manage the diversity of products or productions. It also can able to accommodate changes within the production, like the product designs and components of the product. The next will be the short lead time. It can swiftly respond to any changes in needs or demands from the market or consumer. So the last characteristics and objective of flexible production is high production efficiency. This means that flexible production always equipped and up to date with programmable and systematic equipment like current tags and machinery that lifts the laboring burden and allocates production work sequences to fulfill and deliver a good customizations of a product or production within the given timing. So, next we will move on to the advantages and also disadvantages of flexible productions. The first one is the advantages. So, what are the advantages of flexible productions? The first one is flexible productions able to expand the business and attract new possible investors and customers. The next one is to able to sustain the business for a long period of time and compete in the market as it allows adaptability in various ways like changes in capacity and customizations. The last one is that flexible production can also improve financial allocations and resources utilizations by maximizing sources for various productions and reduce wastage. Though, however, this means that flexible production also has its own disadvantages. The first one is it can be complicated implementations as it requires meticulous and detailed planning. The next is increase in the maintenance and operating costs since it may incur new or long-term expenditure like new machinery, material costs, and hiring new labor. The last one is the possibility of time consuming as business may be lack of expertise or skilled labor further disrupt the overall normal productions of the business.
Station of fixed production. Number one, introduction of multi-skilled workers. This is mean employee were training to perform more than one task or operate a different machine. This is allow workers to shift easily between production stage when demand change, reducing delay and downtime. Number two, use a flexible machinery and technology. This is mean machine capital capable of producing a multi-product type were intro, introduced. This is reduce the need of frequent machine change and long-term setup time, improving production speed. Number three, modular product design. This is mean product were designed using standard interchangeable component. This is made easier to customize product without interrupting the entire production process. How to fix flexible production? Number one, reducing in lean time. By using the adaptable machine, efficient scheduling, and reduce setup change over time, the production system could produce product faster. This is mean shorter time between order and delivery. As a result, the customer receive products sooner, which is boost satisfaction and competitiveness. Number two, lower production cost. Flexible production reduce waste by eliminate die time and streamline process. Machines stop less often because setup are faster and workflow more balanced. Cross training workers means labor sources use more efficient and over time cost drop. Lower inventory level are maintained because production can match demand more closely, reducing storage and spoilage costs. Number three, and last for fix, better respond to market changes. This is mean flexible production allow quick adjustment to product mix and volume without long retooling and or delay. This is mean the company can rapidly adapt when customer reference shift, market demand spike, or a new order arrive. The result is improve competitiveness and flow loss sale due to inability to fulfill orders. Recommendation: how to improve flexible production. Number one, continuous improvement, Kaizen. We implement continuous improvement through daily Kaizen activity, 5X and Jimba walk. This practice will help us identify problem earlier and remove waste from the production process. Over time, small improvement improve workflow, balance workload, and support production flexibility. Number two, reducing changeover and setup time, SMED. We use SMED method to analyze and standards machine changeover activity. This is reduce the time needed to switch from one product to another product. Faster changeover increase production flexibility and help us to respond quickly to customer demand. Number three and last for me is lean and workflow optimization. We apply lean techniques such as one piece of flow, task balance, and workflow redesign. This method reduce bottleneck and shorter production cycle time. As a result, the production becomes smoother and faster and more responsive to change.
In conclusion, flexible production enables manufacturers to respond quickly to changing customer demands and product variation. By improving efficiency, reducing downtime, and lowering costs, it supports better decision making in production. Ultimately, flexible production is not just an option but a necessity for organizations to remain competitive in the rapidly changing market. Thank you very much.